Hello, and hello again to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. We've got a really simple letter string for you today, and there aren't many words that use this letter string, but it is important that you learn, and it is part of our Year 1 spelling words for this one today. So there's a couple of words that you may use quite regularly in your writing. It's important that you spell them correctly, okay? So we're going to think about the letter string that says ouse, okay? Now this is one that I've picked because, again, you can't quite use your phonics, because normally if you said the word ouse you wouldn't put this E on the end, because you'd have the ow and you'd have the s, okay, and that would be ouse, but we have got this E on the end. So we're going to use our rhyming today to think of other words, or think of some words that end with the ouse sign, okay, letter string. So the first one we've got is this one, which says mouse, okay, mouse, or you might think also it says mouse, but it is mouse, okay. So we've got mouse there, mouse, and then if you think about which words rhyme with mouse, you might be able to think of this word, which is, see if you can read that at home now. That's right, it is house. So we have mouse and house. And the other one, which is a word that you probably don't use quite as often, it is this one, which is a louse, like a wood louse, a little bug, isn't it, a little mini beast, a wood louse. Okay, so the key words really are these two, okay. So we're going to practice writing house and mouse. So I'm going to put them down. I want you to pause the video and write the word house and then write the word mouse. So do that now. Okay, and then we're going to think about the plural. So if we had more than one house, we would have 2 or 3 houses. Okay, houses. Now when we write houses, we just pop an S on the end there, which is our regular plural rule. You know, normally when we're making something plural, more than one, we just put an S on the end, like cat, cats, dog, dogs, house, houses. It sounds different, it sounds like that Z sound, but we do just pop an S on the end for houses, okay. However, for mouse, we don't just put an S on the end, because we don't have mouses, we have mice, okay. And we've done the word mice before when we looked at words that ended the ice letter string, the ICE. So the plural of mouse is mice, M-I-C-E, mice, like nice, okay. So they are our words for today, house and mouse, and then houses and mice, okay. So you can choose some of them to write in your sentence. I've got my sentence here. See if you can read that at home. Remember, read it once to figure out what it says, and then read it fluently for understanding. So there was a mouse running, and look, I've got my double N in running, otherwise it would say ruining. Remember, we put that double N to make it the sound, running around the house. So we've got the ow sound in around and the ow sound in house. There was a mouse running around the house. That's my sentence. So it's your turn to go and write your own sentence, making sure you spell the words house and mouse correctly. That's it for today. Nice easy one, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.